In today's video, I am going to share with you how we made over my fireplace mantle, and then I am going to style it. So if that sounds like something you guys want to see, let's get started.
Okay, so this is what the fireplace looked like prior to the makeover. Now it was whitewashed with a black mantle. So in December of 2020, I decided I wanted to paint over the whitewash with a solid cream color to give it a fresh look. So I knew in the spring I was going to ask my husband to make a simple box to go over the existing mantle. Now, I really did like the all cream color, but I wanted a more rustic vibe with a less traditional look. So my husband found some scrap wood in the garage and he went to work. So he had to make 5 cuts, one for the top, the bottom, the front, and then 2 for the sides. Now the 3 long boards measured about 6.5 feet by 9 inches deep. Now he nailed all 3 long boards together to create a box that would slip over the existing mantle. And then once he fitted that box properly in place, he added the sides. Okay, so now it's time to paint. So I grabbed a few containers of paint that I had previously purchased from Hobby Lobby from the clearance section. One was weathered gray, and then the other was an antique white, which I did not use. Okay, so I started with the weathered gray, and then I applied it with the foam brush, and I just brushed it on in small sections, and then I wiped it off. Now at first glance I thought it was a little thick and I thought I would use the white, but once I used the a brown stain, no, I'm sorry, it was a brown wax. Once I used a spray-on brown wax, it kind of removed some of the gray and it helped to expose some of the underneath wood grain. So here I'm just continuing to wipe the stain on and then wipe it off until the board is completely covered. Now I didn't show where I used the brown wax, but I've used it before, and it's just a wax in a spray can that I also got from Hobby Lobby. And the brown wax really helped to warm up the gray. So here's the brown wax. And like I said, it is a spray on. And so now you can see the wood grain, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted it to have the appearance of a wood beam. And I think it turned out great. Now let me just say, I know this is probably not the way some of you guys would have done it, but this is the way we did it and it worked for us. Okay, so now let's start decorating.
guys, so I hope you enjoyed the fireplace makeover, and I hope you saw how easy it was to transform your traditional mantle into something a little bit more modern. So that's it for now, and I will reveal the rest of the kitchen during the spring and Easter tour. So thanks for watching, and I will see you at the next one.